Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see how to integrate a Nutanix hypervisor into Citrix on-prem site to create MCS based machine catalog, and also we are going to integrate Nutanix hypervisor into Citrix Director to see the hypervisor infrastructure information like details to monitor it. So I have configured two delivery controller and then two storefront server, which is a 2402 version, LTSR version, which is released recently by Citrix. This is per preview version, not production one. So this is we can do it for the testing purpose. So let me show you the version details. So you can see, right, 2402. This is early release second version. So in early access release, Citrix has released two versions. So this is the second version. So we deployed for the testing purpose. Okay, by default, you will not have that Nutanix AHV hypervisor add-in option here. If we go to add hosting connection, you can see, right? So it's having Zen server, then Microsoft Virtual Machine Manager, then VMware, vSphere, Google Cloud Platform, Azure, and then Remote PC, Wacom LAN, and Amazon EC2. So now we need to add Nutanix hypervisor into Citrix to create MCS based machine catalog. So for that we need to install the plugin which will enable that Nutanix AHV hypervisor connection and the Citrix delivery controller. So this is the plugin. So once we install this plugin, we will get the option to add the Nutanix AHV hypervisor in Citrix Studio. So click next. If you are not installed this one, then you will not get that option. So this is Citrix Zen Desktop MCS AHP plugin. So we have one more controller also. So we need to install in the both the controller. So now we have installed that plugin. Let's check it in the control panel. The details of the plugin. So you can see that a Nutanix AHP plugin for Citrix Zen Desktop has been installed. So this is Windows Server 2022 version. Okay, let me go to Studio and then try to add the hosting connection. Just refresh the console once. So now click close. Just add the connection. So it's not set reflected here. What I can do, let me log off and log in back. Here also you can see, right, supported connection types: Nutanix Acropolis, Nutanix AHV, Nutanix AHV 11, then Nutanix AHV PC. So now you can see that option to add the Nutanix Acropolis hypervisor. So just enter the Nutanix cluster IP address here. So the cluster username and password, and export cluster. So now we added a Nutanix cluster into Citrix side. So this warning will go away in some time. You just give the test connection. We'll see if there is any issue. Just go to secondary controller also. You just go to hosting part. So it's reflected here. But this warning will go away. No need to worry. So you can see that 3 successful tests. Okay, now it's gone. So now just go to director, just refresh this director console, but still you can't see that complete hypervisor information details. So for that, if you want to see that VM details, so you need to use that Nutanix director plugin, so that you will see that Nutanix hosted VMs complete performance, like CPU utilization and memory utilization and disk utilization kind of things. But now that hosting has been added under infrastructure. Now you can see, right, NTX prod cluster, so there is no alert for now. But to see the complete overview about that Nutanix hosted VM, so you need to install this plugin and the director server Nutanix plugin. So let me install it. So before that, we need to configure like only view access user account. So let me go to Nutanix console. So this is the Nutanix cluster console. Just go to setting, go to local user. So this is the cluster admin. So just I am creating one account for CTX. So if you go with the default, then it will create like only view access kind of things. So you can see, right, it's a only viewer. So just go to Studio console, install that plugin. Also in the secondary director also you can install it. So while installing, it will restart that IAS service, which is for director server. So just add the connection. We need to add the cluster connection here, so that it will get the direct communication with the Nutanix cluster to get the VM's utilizations. So just enter the IP address of the cluster. So we created CTX username for only view access. Click add. So connection added successfully. So click finish. Done. The similar way you need to add in the other director server as well. So cluster IP address is, so now we have installed two Nutanix AHV plugin, which is for adding the hypervisor into Citrix site, and then integrating hypervisor, Nutanix hypervisor into Citrix Director. So now you can log in. So now there is no alert, controllers, everything is green. The only thing we have issue with the license, since it's a grace period, trial license, which is for 29 days. Okay, so in next video, we will create the MCS based machine catalog. It will create the VM in the Nutanix cluster. Thank you.